Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's look at how to automate savings with Trim. Are you looking for a hands-off way to grow your savings? Well, Trim makes it super easy to automate your savings and to build your financial cushion without having to lift a finger. Let me show you how it's done. First, start by opening the Trim app and logging into your account. And from the home screen, you're going to go ahead and tap on the savings or automated savings section. Next, tap the option that says automate savings or set up automatic transfers. There, Trim will guide you through the process of linking your bank accounts if you haven't done so already. Once your account is linked, you can decide on the amount that you want to save. You can set it to a fixed amount, say $50 per week, or a percentage of your income if you prefer a more flexible approach. Trim will also let you decide on how often you want to save. It could be daily, weekly, monthly, or whatever. If you want to save for specific goals, you can choose which savings goals to allocate the automated savings towards. Trim will then automatically transfer the specified amount from your linked bank account to your savings goals or to the saving goal of your chosen schedule. This process is seamless and you can change the amount or frequency at any time you like. You'll get updated on your savings progress so that you can stay on track. Plus, if your financial situation changes, you can pause or adjust the automatic transfers at any time. That's it. Your savings are now automated, helping you to effortlessly build your financial future. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to view your savings progress on Trim so that you can track exactly how you're doing. Don't miss that video, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and start automating your savings today. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.